All right, everybody has their Chromebooks in front of them. Now I want you to log in at the bottom as a guest or use your email, Google Apps email, and log on as yourself, and then come up here to the search bar and type in webqr.com. When you get there, you should see this QR code scanner and a box, but to activate it, you need to click the word scan. And you'll know that it's activated because you'll see a picture of yourself. Hello. All right, now take the QR code I've provided for you and put it in front of the camera so it can scan it. All right, I know that it scanned it because right here it's given me a link to our Padlet. Click on that link. And then each one is going to look a little different. They're all going to say aquaponics STEM, but then it'll have your grade and your teacher's name. All right, how you begin a Padlet. Come here to the blue space and double click. All right, and the title is always going to be your name, so I know who's posting, so I'll put my name. And you're going to tell me a vocabulary word you've learned or something new about aquaponics. All right, so I'm going to choose to do a vocabulary word. So I'm going to double click here. I have to put my name because I'm the one posting. And I'm going to use one of our new words we learned today, which is deforestation. And the definition of that is the cutting down of trees. So I've typed that in. Now I want to add a picture. Okay, so to add a picture, I'm going to come up here and open a new tab. And I'm going to go, oh, we're in Google, which is what I want. I'm going to search deforestation. And I want a picture, so I'm going to go to images. Now, once you're in images, I want to tell you something, whether it's a project for STEM class or any of your other teachers, really, you don't have the right to use every picture that comes up on Google. All right, so the way that we want to make sure that you're doing it the proper way is you go to Search Tools and go here to Usage Rights. Right now we're on Not Filtered by License, which means you really should not be using just any of these pictures. But if we come down here and switch it to Labeled for Reuse, click on that. Now we know that we're safe to use all of these pictures. All right, so I'm just going to scroll down and look at these pictures and see if there's one in particular that I like. All right, and I'm going to choose, let's choose this one. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on the image. And then the way that I can use this is come up here to the search bar, highlight it, and hit Control-C. That makes me a copy of it. And then I find my tab where my aquaponics Padlet is. And I come over here and hit the plus sign. And it'll pop up here. And then I click on my bar there and hit Control-V, which will paste in the link from the picture, and I hit Submit. All right. Does it look good? Yes, it looks good, so I'm going to hit OK. Now, I have my definition of deforestation and a picture to go with it. All right, I can't wait to see what you guys post in Padlet. We're going to do this every week while we're doing aquaponics, so by the end, our Padlet for each class should be full of all our vocabulary words and all the new things we've learned about aquaponics.